Illinois Governor JB Pritzker faced a significant legal setback after a federal judge ruled against key state laws that offered in-state tuition, financial aid, and scholarships to undocumented immigrants. The decision came from U.S. District Judge Stephen McGlynn, who found that Illinois policies, including the RISE Act and the Illinois DREAM Act, were unconstitutional as they applied to those in the country illegally. While the ruling immediately blocks the enforcement of these laws, McGlynn provided a 2-week delay for Illinois to consider filing an appeal. The Justice Department had brought the lawsuit against Illinois and several colleges, arguing that state law violated federal statutes by extending educational benefits to illegal immigrants that were not also available to all U.S. citizens. This decision follows a broader federal effort to challenge and dismantle similar state initiatives across the country. U.S. Attorney Steven Weinhoeft praised the court's move, claiming it prevents Illinois from placing undocumented immigrants ahead of out-of-state American citizens with regard to educational benefits. The court's order invalidates Illinois rules for in-state tuition, the RISE Act, and the Illinois DREAM Act. The RISE Act specifically allowed certain students who are ineligible for federal aid to access state financial assistance, while the DREAM Act created scholarship opportunities. The ruling emphasized that federal law prevents states from granting benefits to undocumented immigrants unless those same benefits are made available to all U.S. citizens, regardless of state residency. Supporters of the ruling, including Republican Rep. Mary Miller, argued that it was a victory for Illinois taxpayers and for American students who they say were disadvantaged by these policies. The decision is part of a series of court cases and settlements reached by the Justice Department, with similar outcomes in Texas, Kentucky, Oklahoma, and Nebraska. Ongoing lawsuits involving the same issues are currently pending in several other states, including Minnesota, Virginia, California, and Colorado. Colorado has recently become a focal point as the Department of Justice filed a comparable lawsuit there, challenging the state's Asset Act and related financial aid policies. Federal officials maintain that such state-level programs not only break federal law, but also improperly use taxpayer funds. In response, officials in Colorado argue that states should have the right to determine their own tuition policies and that expanding access to education benefits the state workforce. The debate over educational benefits for undocumented immigrants thus remains contentious and unresolved across many states. Want to make sure you never miss our latest videos? Tap that follow button right now. If our content brought a smile to your face, made you think, or taught you something new, please like this video and share with your friends and family. Your support helps our community grow, and sharing the love only takes a second. Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.